Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In previous class we discussed in gravitation resultant force on any one of the mass if three same masses placed at three corners of an equilateral triangle of each side small a. Now if they place one fourth similar mass or any mass at center of the triangle, then what is the resultant force, gravitational force on the fourth mass? Let us assume this is going to be another mass m. Otherwise, some people will say 1 kg, 2 kg, you can assume. Okay. Now, what is the gravitational force between A and this mass O? At center, I am taking it as O. So, what is the gravitational force between B and O, C and O? Always gravitational force is attractive. Force on O due to A. Attractive means it is going to be attracted like this, FA. Next, force on A due to B. This is also attracted, FB. Force on O due to C. This is also attractive, FC. Now again, how many forces came here? Three forces came. So whenever we got more than two, first we will calculate any two of forces, resultant we will calculate. Now what is the angle between these? So what is the angle between these two forces or any two forces means? So in basics we discussed, otherwise maybe in second year videos already I have given, therefore I don't know where I have given, just we will see once again. So if three sides are there, then what is the total angle here? Total angle is going to be 360 degrees. So 360 by how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. Three sides are there. Therefore, so each angle is going to be 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Now, what is the resultant force of A and C? What is the angle between A and C means? 120 degrees. First, we will calculate what is FA, FB, FC. FA means force between A and O. So, G M by OA square. So, GM square by what is OA distance? I am taking these distances from center to corner is R. GM square by R square. What is the small r means? Whenever triangle is given, okay, from center to corner, if this is going to be R, so draw this one like this. This is going to be A by 2. This angle is going to be 30. Total angle is 60. Now this angle bisector means 30 degrees. So we want small r. So cos 30 degrees. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. R is equal to A by 2 cos 30. A by 2. What is cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. Therefore, small r is going to be A by root 3. So, gm square by A by root 3 whole square. So, 3 gm square by A square. This is FA. So, FB, force between B and O, that is also same gm square by R square. So, that is also 3 gm square by A square. FC, force between C and O, that is also same. So 3 directly I am writing 3 gm square by A square. Is it visible? Okay. 3 gm square by A square because all r's are going to be similar. Let us assume this 3 gm square by A square I am taking it as F because no need to write always 3 gm square by A square. What is the resultant of FA and FC? So this will be coming like this. FAC is equal to root FA square plus FC square plus 2 FAFC cos 120. So what is cos 120 value? So these we discussed in basics. FA square, F square plus F square 2FF cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So if you forgot means cos 90 plus 30. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos 90 0, sin 91, sin 30 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. I forgot sin 90 also, sir. I forgot cos 90 also, sir. Then no need to do this problem, sir, because we forgot all. So 2 will be cancelled. So f square plus f square minus f square. Therefore, finally you got f. So FAC is going to be f we got. Correct? So what is FB? FB is also f. What is the angle between FB and FAC? So what is the angle between FB and FAC means this is the total angle. This is going to be 180 degrees because 120 is going to become half means 60. This total is 180. Therefore, FAC and FB both are opposite and equal. Therefore, resultant force is going to be 0. For 0, this much why we did means sometimes they may give here M2, M3M. At that time, we should calculate. If two same forces in the same direction coming means always we will add. If two same forces opposite direction means always we will subtract. So these things also we have given in basics. How to find resultant force, how to find this angle. Here in this gravitation we got only this formula mu for nu. G m1 m2 by r square. And blindly you can follow. If three masses are equal at corners, at center if they ask means resultant force is going to become 0. So like that another model we discussed. Four masses they gave at four corners. Four masses they gave at four corners of each side small a. So what is the resultant gravitational force at the center? At center of the square means how much mass you are keeping also at center. So resultant force is going to be 0 unless and until all these masses are going to be present, isn't it? See, all the masses are going to be present and each mass is going to be same. All the masses should be same, not present. Okay. Next problem. This is a triangle. This one we will call in mathematics isosceles triangle. A and A. If three masses are placed at three corners of this triangle. So find the resultant force on C if they asked. Find the resultant force on B if they asked. How we will do means force on C if you are going to calculate. C will be attracted by A. So then it will be coming like this. FA. C will be attracted by B. This is going to be FB. What is FA and what is FB? Force between B and C. G ms square by distance is going to be A square. FA, force between A and C. G ms square by what is AC? AC they didn't give. So, but this is isosceles triangle. This is A means this is going to be root A square plus A square. So, 2A square root 2A. Therefore, root 2A whole square. So, GMS square by 2A square. So, GMS square by A square you can call it as F. Then one is F, another one is F by 2. Now, what is the angle between these two? So, this is completely mathematics relation, how we are going to get angle. So, if two sides are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. If it is 90, this is going to be 45, 45. Therefore, resultant force on C, FC is going to be root of FA square plus FB square plus 2FAFB cos 45. What is cos 45 value? So FA square, F square by 4, FB, F square, 2 times of 2FAFB. What is FA? FA is going to be F by 2, FB, F cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So F square by 4 plus F square plus, so F square by root 2. So you can take f square common and outside. F root times 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by root 2. So what is LCM here? 4 root 2. So root 2 plus 4 root 2 plus 4. Correct? So like that, we are going to get the answer. Still, we can write depending on your final answer. Now, what is force acting on B if they asked? Force on B is nothing but this B will be attracted by A. This is going to be FA. This B will be attracted by C. This is going to be FC. What is the angle between these two? 90. Therefore, resultant is going to be FAC. FAC is going to be root of FA square plus FC square plus 2FAFC cos 90. Cos 90 term is 0. So, what is FAFC? FA already we calculated. Sorry, this FA is different. This is different because distances are different. FA means between A and B. So G m square by A square. So FC means between B and C. That is also G m square by A square. You can take this one as F. Therefore, root of F square plus F square root 2 F square root 2 F root 2 times of G m square by A square. So like this they are going to ask. You can do any problem just if you know how to apply the given formula for the given question. And these masses we are taking here m. They make you m2, m3, m. So depending on that it is going to be changed. 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Depending on that it is going to be changed. So that one you can practice by changing the numbers. Definitely you will get. Thank you.